Welcome. I'm your host, Killer V, and we're here to let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. I'm still looking for an intro, but nonetheless, let's say, give all glory to God first and foremost. Give shout out to everybody out there that's doing something themselves and making a difference in this world. So, let's go without saying today what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about making teachers. And the reason that we're going to be making teachers versus taking regular pills and things of that nature. Now, when you take the regular pills, as far as cayenne pepper, let's just say, and we all know the benefits of that, but I'm going to run down a couple benefits for you. The couple benefits are it helps with heart protection, helps with heart attacks, helps with strokes, help with, boys, we have a cut, help with internal bleeding. That's just to name a few. So if you want to go know more about cayenne pepper, go check my blog out on cayenne pepper. Now another thing that we're going to talk about is cayenne pepper. Why are we making this? Because heart disease is the number one killer in America. It's the number one killer in America. Hands down, you can do it. There's research on it. Hands down. And this is why I'm a firm believer cayenne pepper is millions and millions of studies on it from years and years and years from doctors and doctors and doctors. No, I am not a doctor. I'm just somebody that knows about health, knows about the body, and that's able to help you heal yourself. And that's what we're here about. It's about healing ourselves and not depending on the medical field to give us the things that we need. Okay? Because they're not giving us things that we need. We all about to know about the medical field, but we're not going to talk about that because I want to get monetized. So let's continue. So why do I make a teacher instead of popping the pills? One of the pills takes longer to get in your system and build up. And basically, some people can't take pills. And that's the only reason. Teachers get into your bloodstream. The teachers get into your bloodstream quicker. Quick. So that's why it's important to take this. And not only that, teachers last longer about 10 to 20 years, 10 years plus. A teacher will last with alcohol. If you do it with vegetable glycerin, it lasts about 2 to 5 years, which is still good. Vegetable glycerin is usually you give to kids under 6 because a lot of people, I don't want to give my kid no alcohol. They make it drunk. It's toxic. And oh my God, I'm so scared. No, it's not that bad. But you can do it with vegetable glycerin. I would just do it with herbs. I wouldn't do it with cayenne pepper because glycerin is kind of sticky. And so it'll get kind of nasty and messy. So I would just get it with regular herbs, something like hawthorn berry or something of that nature if they have heart issues. All right? Okay. Now, how do we make a teacher? That's what we all here for, how to make it. Now, a lot of people make it for 3 to 4 weeks, put it in a jar with the alcohol, you shake it up, boom, put it in and outside for 3 to 4 weeks. We're not doing ours that way. We're doing the speeding process, which is going to take 3 days. Yeah, you heard me. 3 days. 3 days. Yes, 3 days, and this will be ready. Okay? All right. So how do we do this? All right? Now, I never did cayenne pepper before, so we all doing this together. I haven't done this before. I've done herbs before, just regular herbs, like the root. When I say herbs, the root, not the powder. The root, not the powder. The root, not the powder. But all right, let's get back into it. All right. Excuse me. That's some sorrel tea right there. Sorrel, that's good for the liver. Yeah. Some salt, pomelo for the prostate. But that's either here or there. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take your cayenne pepper. I'm not promoting anybody, but go in your cabinet and just get your cabinet. It's not that deep. It's not rocket science. Just go in your cabinet, get your cayenne pepper. If you don't have any, go to the grocery store and get some. Okay? All right. So now what we'll do is we'll take our mason jar. You don't have to get a 32 ounce like me. You can get a 8 ounce or a 16 ounce. Okay? You might be wondering what this is. This is sea moss elderberry. Yes, I do sell sea moss and I do sell elderberry. That's what this is. I just brought this out to show you the size bottle. All right, this is an 8 ounce, a 32 ounce, and a 16 ounce. So you get a 16 ounce, put it in the crock pot. And this is my first time actually doing a 32 ounce. So it's gonna be interesting to see what happens. All right, so you'll get your cayenne pepper or whichever herb that you're using. You open this up. Now I like to use plastic tops because I just don't like to use metal tops when I'm boiling things and things like that. It's just on me. You'll pour your cayenne pepper into here. All right. I already did it, but just for demonstration purposes, I'll put a little bit more in there. Okay. Now, what you want to do? You want to be halfway full. Okay. Now, if you was doing this with kids, like I said, you would do vegetable glycerin. Let's put this over here. You'll get vegetable glycerin, and vegetable glycerin is great for kids. It's sweet. They'll love it. So, you can do something like dandelion for their blood. You can do something like elderberry for colds and flus. Woodworm, woodworm, something like that for the parasites in your gut. You could do ginger. You could do cinnamon. You could do anything that you possibly want to do. But right now we're doing cayenne pepper because why? Because one, my father has heart issues right now. Prayers out to him. He has heart issues right now. I think he's ready to get on board. The hardest people to get on board is your family. I don't know why, maybe because I don't have a degree in the medical field, but the hardest people to get on board to take care of your health and to believe in what you're saying is your family. But I think he's ready to get on board. So with that being said, let's finish this stuff. All right? So I don't want to take too much time. So now what we'll do, we'll get alcohol. So it should be about 40%. Don't get no Everclear. If you get Everclear, you have to pour half of it out and put the rest water in there. Okay? So I see 40% alcohol and it's already pretty much diluted. Okay? But you want some, this is a brand new bottle. You want some water because your body made of water. Okay? Now, once you get your crock pot, forgot about the crock pot. This is your crock pot. You want to get your water and you want to get a towel and put the towel at the bottom so this doesn't crack. So now, let's go. Now you pour this in there. You pour it all the way up to the top. There you go, you see that? Pour it up to the top. Now, when you use a 32-ounce bottle, you will be using a lot of vodka. Get your cheap vodka. Don't be going out there trying to go out there and get no Belvedere, no Grey Goose, and nothing. Just get some nice vodka that's 40%. I don't want to call it cheap. Now, as you see, the powder's still underneath. See how the powder is? So what you have to do, you're going to have to shake it. You're going to have to shake it. Okay. Let's shake this up. It's good. A little bomba, a little sina, a little bomba, a little sina, a little bomba. Ooh. Gotta shake it up. At least shake it up 30 times. 30 times, but you know I like to shake it. Shake it up nicely. Because the reason you want to shake it, you want to get everything up in there. You don't want to get any. You don't want to leave any residue at the bottom or nothing like that. See, now when I do that, still see a little residue. And it's going to go down because the powder going to take some of the alcohol down. So, as you see, as you probably can't see, but this line right here, remember, was filled all the way up. So now we got to fill it up some more with some more alcohol. So maybe a 32-ounce tea. A bottle like this, you can probably use it all. So, let's fill it back up. Hope I have enough. perfect. How much left I got? So that's why I recommend an 8-ounce bottle. Like I said, 16-ounce bottle. 16-ounce bottle won't take this much. Maybe half of it. And then you gotta shake it again. So what I'm gonna do is, everybody, I'm gonna run a contest. And so what I'm gonna do is hit that like and subscribe button at the bottom. Leave a comment. And if you answer these questions, you'll get a teacher. Okay? So you don't have to make it yourself. Alright? I'm gonna ask, it's gonna be a 3-part question. 1, not the benefits that I said here. Give me 2 benefits of cayenne pepper. No. Let's scratch that. Let's do this. Give me 3 benefits of hawthorn berry. Okay? That I said on my YouTube channel. I said on this channel. That's 1. Give me 3 benefits on cinnamon that I said. Or yeah, 3 benefits of cinnamon that I said. And why do I believe in cayenne pepper? What is my story behind cayenne pepper? Who did I help with cayenne pepper that's close to me? That's a hint. So look at my blog for cayenne pepper, and then answer those questions at the bottom. And the first three, the first 3 that gets it right, I'll send you out a cayenne pepper teacher. Okay? So now if you look at the bottom, there's no more. This cayenne pepper strong. Excuse me. See, when you get cayenne pepper, that's what it does to you. Open up your nostrils, your sinuses, and everything. So now, once you got that done, it's all done. Now, there's 2 ways you can do this. Well, several ways you can do it. If you don't want to do the crock pot, what you'll do is you'll put it out. You can put it outside during the day, come back, shake it, leave it outside at night, shake it, or you can put it in like one of your cabinets, somewhere around there. Put it in a dark cabinet. They come every day and shake it, or you can just put it in a dark place and shake it, or whatever the case may be, every day. Now, with this crock pot, if you do it that way, it's going to take you about 4 weeks, 4 to 6 weeks. Do it that way. It's going to be potent and everything like this. This way right here, when I put this in this crock pot right here, it's going to take 3 days. 3 days. So what I'm going to do is I'm about to get my crock pot now. And what happens is you put a towel at the bottom. And then you put this in here. Okay. See how that is submerged? And you turn it on low. Not medium, not high. Low. Low as you go. Oh, go low as you go. Oh, go low as you go low. Go low. Not high. Go low. Not high. Go low. Alright? Put it on low. I can't express it any further. Put it on low. Trust me. Alright? And then once that happens, every 8 hours, you want to come back in here. You want to take it out. You want to take that out. And you want to shake it. Get the properties back. You want to shake it. Put it back in there. Let it rock out for another. Let it go. Then another 8 hours. So you can probably shake it 3 times a day. Probably. Shake it before you go to work. Come home, which is 8 hours. Shake it again. Now don't get, if it's 10 hours, it's not no big deal. Shake it again. And then probably shake it right before you go to bed. You know what I'm saying? That way, it's always going to be blended. The property's going to be pulled out. And you're going to have a strong teacher. And like I was saying, if you wanted to do it with a different herb and you want to do it for kids that's under 6, I mean, this is safe for kids also. I don't want you to get that twisted. This is also safe for kids. But some of you guys don't know how the dosage to give, how much to give. Do I give it like a half a drop, a drop? So you can just stay away from this if you got kids. do the vegetable glycerin. But if your child is having a heart attack or having some heart issues, this is safe to take. So I just want to let you know it's pretty much safe to take for kids. Okay, and so if you have any questions, hit that like and subscribe button. If you have any questions, drop it in a comment. If you have any suggestions of what you want me to talk about, put it in a comment. And also, if you're looking for your sea moss, I have sea moss. I have elderberry sea moss. The other sea moss, what it looks like. Excuse me for a minute. 32 ounces right here, made with alkaline water. Blended, soaked in alkaline water. Right here, $30 for you guys. $30 plus shipping and handling. Unless I have to bring it to you. If you live close, I'll bring it to you. I'll deliver it to you. Hit the like and subscribe button. Everything will be in the link below. I'll see you guys back in 3 days. Maybe Saturday. But 3 to 4 days, I'll see you back. See how our teacher's doing. We're going to take it out. And we're going to put it in our bottle. Where's our bottle at? Oh, here we go. I'm going to put it in a little bottle like this. So once you get this, I'm going to show you how to take this out. And drain it in a cheesecloth and things like that into another bottle. And then you take your turkey baster. Or you take something of that nature. Take it out. Put it in this bottle. All love, fear, and war. And let's have a good one, y'all. So again, I'm looking for an intro, and if you need any sea moss, some health consultations, or anything like that, hit me up. GoGreen.solutions@gmail.com. Leave a message. Email me. BGuaranteed1 is my IG. Go Green is my Twitter. Twitter. But all that being a link below. Once again, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget, I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. If anything that I can do to help you guys, let me know. I'm here for you. Peace. I'm out of here.